I'm John Baldwin, and I'm the Resident Services Coordinator with Housing Works, which is Central Oregon Regional Housing Authority. So the library reached out with this idea that they had been working with Redmond High School's shop class here and said that they have this idea to be able to put some free little libraries at some of our properties if we were able to do that, and we loved the idea, and so we just thought this would be a great way to serve our residents and serve the community.
So this project is the Low Free Library. The most fun part about this project was probably learning how to do it. I've never built a scale model or a blueprint or planned anything like that, so I don't know, it's just a new experience to add to the books and pretty fun.
The original plan was to use the locker and reuse the locker and make it something nice, but I was struggling too much trying to draw it out, and so I just made all out of wood, and yeah.
Seeing these students and take all these skills that they've learned throughout the year and throughout all of their high school classes, like one student was doing the Pythagorean theorem and tons of mathematical calculations to figure out her design, and then putting it into this project is really cool because it's a way to culminate it into something that actually will be produced and used in the community. So it's kind of fun to see them having a hand in it all.
So I see this benefiting our community as just family time. You and your family can go out, pick out a book, have a little bit of fun, and also as one of the library, like people were saying about canned food and stuff, like in the top area or an extra space so you could put canned food or even extra toys that kids could play with. Or
Well, I've enjoyed just building it. It was kind of fun building this tiny building. I like drawing it out. It's kind of fun.
This project is amazing because it has a true audience and it has a purpose in the community. So it allows us to do a job for the community and do a service that's going to help others learn to read and have access to books that may otherwise not have that opportunity.